You want to animate your character in an image or put your character in any video? Or how about putting multiple characters in a video? Well, apparently Viggle can do it. We're about to find out. I'm on Viggle.ai. I have done nothing here before, so this is going to be a first for both of us. Looks like our options are mix, multi, and move. Mix says you can place your character into any video. Multi says that we can put multiple characters into a template video. And move looks like we can take our character and animate it. I'm not quite sure what the difference is between move and mix, but we'll figure it out. Let's start here on the first tab, mix, and it looks like we can pick a template, so that is totally what we're going to do. We do have lots of templates to pick from. We can do something simple like facial expressions, or we can do singing and dancing. They've got sports, memes, trending. We'll just stay on this hot picks page for now. There's lots to look at here. Okay, I like some dancing here. That's good. I would hurt myself if I tried that in real life. Oh, Michael Jackson's Billie Jean. Let's go with that. We'll hit confirm. All right, so we're apparently going to take an image and I guess make it do that. I'm dragging in an image that is a full body shot of this dude. I'm assuming it needs a full body shot. We're going to give it a try and we'll click create. I'll say this, it generated very fast. That was definitely under a minute. This is our guy, the image that we provided, and then here's our video. I mean, his feet aren't exactly touching the floor. I could probably dance like that if my feet didn't have to touch the floor. The shadows, I guess, are okay if you consider the overhead lighting. Looks very cartoonic, very animated and jittery. And I don't think Michael Jackson ever danced quite that way. Let's go back and hit the templates. Make it a little easier. We'll go with expression. We got some walking. We got something motivational with talking here. All right, let's grab this ooh, confirm. And here I'll pull in an image of me. It'll be a lot easier for me to tell if it actually looks like me than comparing it to somebody else. Background, original. We can have green, white, and our models are V2 Turbo and V2. V2 Turbo is the latest and fastest, and V2 is better preserving identity. We'll say on V2 Turbo, I guess, since it is the latest and fastest. We'll hit create. That took about 17 seconds. You know what I look like because I'm right here on the screen with you. Let's go ahead and click this and see. Ooh, very fuzzy. It's similar. It's got my hair that I know a lot of you don't like. It's got the black glasses that I was wearing in that photo, the blue shirt. I don't think it's like looking in a mirror exactly. It is fuzzy and it is a bit jittery. So I wonder if we switch this to this V2 better preserving identity. Go ahead and use the exact same template. That was under expressions and it was the ooh. Keep everything the same. Create. That took about 31 seconds. All right, my arm is really weird. Sorry, I got focused on that. I didn't even look at the face. It's not, you know, this is not perfect. It's definitely not high resolution, but it did bring in a decent resemblance, I'll say. Now, what's the difference if we switch over to this move? I'm going to skip multi for now, but if we switch over to move, let's see, we need a character. We can go from image assets, which are me and this dude. I don't know that I want either of those, so maybe we'll bring in our warrior woman. Let's see if we can have our warrior do a little bit of dancing. I'm not sure I get the difference between mix and move. It looks like in one, you're picking the video, the template or whatever, then the character, and then in this one, you're just picking the character and then the motion. I think the V2 Turbo did better than the V2, so we'll go ahead and stick with that one. Click create. All right, here she is. Very jittery, jagged. We have artifacts left over when she moves. I mean, she's dancing. Her face is not doing a lot of changing, really not enough changing, but wow, very tiring. And her sword just sort of hangs in the background. The image quality from the original to what it's done in this video is it's just bad. Let's check out multi. Click to get a template, and then we need a character. And that input box will appear after you select the template. Okay, we've got to pick a template first. Let's be as simple as we can. I think we'll just go with something that has two people in it. So there we have our two people and they are dancing. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here. So this is one character, August, and a Nikki. So we need to pick an August and a Nikki. All right, so let's assign August. We'll put this guy. That's the guy we used in that first video. And then for Nikki, we've got this young lady. I'm not sure how it's going to make her dance since She doesn't have anything from the waist down. And it also says we are in slow mode. We can do 10 videos free every day. And if we upgrade to Pro, we can have unlimited video generation and lightning speed. I am using the free access to Viggle. You do have to create an account. I just used my Gmail address. And I guess we get 10 free videos a day with the free access. To upgrade, it's $9.99 a month, 80 credits per month. Can create 20 minutes video at lightning speed. Unlimited video generation in slow mode, unlimited duration, 10 running jobs at once, remove the watermark, and you can buy extra credits, I guess, if you want the fast lightning speed generations. So that's pretty simple. One plan, $9.99 a month, unlimited slow, 20 minutes of fast. Let's pop this up. Oh, look, it gave her legs. Okay, and it actually did a pretty decent job at putting her waist down together. All right, I think that matches it looks like the characters. So here is the female character it's supposed to be using, and it did all right. It doesn't do a whole lot with the facial expressions. There's a little bit of movement in there, not much. And then the guy, I mean, his facial expressions, he looks like a guy dancing because guys tend to be stone-faced when they're dancing. And here's the original guy. Now, there are a ton of templates here that I didn't go through even but a few of them, but they really have just a whole lot of stuff covered. There's a whole lot of dancing, a whole lot of silly expressions. We've got some strange things happening on fields and in gyms and whatnot. Under movie and TV, you've got sort of some reenactments, I guess, of famous scenes or popular scenes. And here's the Tom Cruise risky business. Your limitations on your character, upload image. For better results, a full body photo with a clean background. Makes total sense. I'm impressed actually that even without a full body photo, it seemed to figure it out and make it work. And the maximum upload image size is 10 megabytes. And of course, follow the community rules. I don't think I've ever seen community rules that are quite this short. It looks like Viggle is primarily marketing toward being a meme generator, funny videos, maybe to share in group chats, social media, text messages, whatnot. And I think it's probably doing just fine for that. If the quality were a little bit better, I think this could have some uses for content creators as well. The technology is certainly interesting, and despite the low quality, it is really, really fast. Now, I don't know if it'd be worthwhile if you generated things here and then use some kind of a video upscaler to get them in a higher resolution, something more appropriate for larger screens and beyond just sharing funnies with friends. I don't think this is a bad tool. I'm not sure that I have a use case for it right now. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Either way, it was fun to check out and play with, and I'm glad you were along for the ride. I hope you'll join me in the next video.